Every delivery carries a promise, and every promise demands performance. Introducing the Tata Ultra E.7, built for zero-emission city and mid-mile logistics. Built on iMove architecture, powered by a high-torque permanent magnet motor, delivering 950 Nm of peak torque, the Ultra E.7 ensures smooth acceleration and effortless start-stop driving, shift after shift. Its integrated e-axle driveline optimizes energy flow, simplifies mechanics, and delivers consistent performance with lower maintenance demands. Powered by a high-efficiency 96 kWh battery, the Ultra E.7 delivers a practical range of up to 150 km. With CCS2 DC fast charging, it can be charged from 0 to 80% in 40 minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing daily productivity. The Tata Ultra E.7 is tested to keep going through water, mud, and demanding climbs. Cargo and the driver are both protected on every route. Inside, the Ultra cabin offers low noise, comfort, and a driver-focused workspace. The Tata Ultra E.7, built to electrify your journey.